was gambling. I don't be chatting on that phone, these niggas rambling. If I let 2 shots out, this call me gon' need ambulance. He thought his man a shooter, how you shooter panicking? We strip that pussy, turn that nigga to a mannequin. You niggas plotting.
Today, as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, man, yes, we are installing these test pipes. Finally, I done had these joints about, I said, a good couple of months, man. But now today is the day we install them joints, man. And y'all already know what should be coming after, so I shouldn't have to say too much. But yeah, man, we getting into this build, man. I'm getting excited, bro. Like, this is like my first car that I'm ever like hooking it up. It's worth it. But we gonna get into this, man. But I just want to say thank y'all for subbing up. Thank y'all for commenting. Thank y'all for tuning in, viewing, coming to my channel. If this is your first time coming to this channel, man, my name is V-Real on the 2013 G37, and it's about to get tuned, so I'm kind of excited, man. That's enough of me rambling. We're gonna jump right into this video, baby, and I see y'all when I get to Queens.
The Army is doing something about the weather.
Yeah, family, we made it here. We made it here, man. We at Real Auto Dynamics right now. I'm about to get these test pipes installed soon. I'm gonna show y'all what the car sound like right now, which y'all probably already know. This is without the cats. And the test pipes we going with Burke's resonated test pipes. These bad boys. So that's what we doing today, man. I'm kind of excited, bro. Yeah, if y'all new, man, make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe and comment to your boy. And I'll get back with y'all shortly, man. Well, look who just showed up. Not the RPF ones, though. But this queue is clean over here, right here. This shit. Clean, yo. My car is done, man. Whew. I'm about to see what this baby sound like. Let me see if they got my stock cats in here. Oh yeah, stock cats are in. Yeah. Okay. I got my stock cats, we good. What's up? What's up? See how this baby sounds. Test pipes are installed. Sounds good. Sounds real good. That shit sounds good. See, kind of hype. But when you install these test pipes, you do get it. You do get a check engine light though. That's one thing. But that will be definitely going when I get to them. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit and see how this feels, man. Test pipes, man, they feel amazing, bro. I feel a difference, man. I feel a power-wise difference, but I can't wait to get to them, though, man. But I'm gonna give y'all a sound right now, y'all. It's a little louder, it's way louder, but it's good, man. But if you're in the process of tuning and doing this stuff just to get to them, man, more power to you, man. Because I'm in the process right now as we speak, man. I just can't wait till that day comes. I was shooting for next week, but you know, I'm an adult, I gotta pay bills and all that good stuff. You know how it is, man. But yeah, man. Oh, and I sold my stock cats too, so it's up to y'all if y'all want to keep y'all stock cats. But I was like, I don't have really no space to put my stock cats and all that. But, so I sold that. But my car is louder though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Way louder. Stock cats is off. I didn't catch a check engine light yet, but I know eventually it'll come on because I took up the stock cats. Man, I'm gonna go ahead, close out this video, man, take it home. You know, relax. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man, as much as I did, man. As y'all can see, the test pipes is on this baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. I was supposed to upload on my last video, but somehow the clips got deleted. But I want to give a huge shout out to Jamie for changing my brakes and rotors. These brakes is they drilled and slotted. They are Power Stop Extreme. I bought these off of Amazon. I'll probably link the links down in the description. Yeah, so he changed my spark plugs and my filters in the front. Cause you already know I'm about to get tuned soon. Hopefully in the next month or so. So yeah, that's what's it. That's what it is right now, y'all. If y'all new, hit that like and subscribe. If you love this content, man, I got more. Like I said, man, I got way more. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all already know. Peace, baby.
At least 10 on my neck. You niggas never took no risks. Y'all don't know no connects. I never got front and shit. I don't owe no connects. And still fuck that nigga Digi. How you told on the